When we want to set up a filter in a table, we first need to select a cell inside it. Then click on Sort and Filter, then Filter from the Home tab. This is the most popular way. You can also find Filter under the Data tab, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Shift-L, which is the quickest way. Once filtering is on, arrows appear in the column headers of the table. Clicking on one of these arrows gives us access to filtering options. Let's choose product A. First, deselect Select All. As you can see, the square next to Select All both selects all the options and deselects them. Then select product A and confirm the choice by clicking OK. This hides all the rows with products other than product A. After hiding all the other products, it's easier to manipulate the data only related to product A. For example, calculating the sum of just product A's data, or deleting product A from the table entirely by selecting all the visible rows. To delete the visible rows, select all of them, then right-click on the row numbers and select Delete Row. The hidden lines will not be affected. To make the hidden rows reappear, select Clear Filter from Product from the drop-down menu. Now I'll choose products B and H, and copy their data to paste underneath the table. The hidden products won't be copied. When we clear the filter from the product column and choose product C, the copied data for products B and H below the table won't be filtered, since filtering only applies up until the first empty row in the table. Now let's choose text filters. The most useful option here is Contains. With this, for example, we can filter all the products which contain the word sample in their name. The result shows all the samples regardless of which product they refer to. Now we'll click Filter in cell C2 and choose Number Filters. As you can see, for columns with numerical data, other filter options are available. Let's choose Less Than and input 200. This gives us a list of products which fulfill both conditions, those with the volume lower than 200 and those which have the word sample in their name. With this you can combine many filters in bigger tables. When a filter is used, the row numbers turn blue even when nothing is filtered out. Also, the filter icon changes from an arrow to a smaller arrow with a funnel. There are two easy ways to remove all the filter settings. You can turn a filter on and off by pressing the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-L twice, or you can select Clear from the Sort and Filter icon under the Data or Home tabs. Inputting text into the search window is also a useful tool. Products containing the inputted text are filtered below as you type. After clicking OK or pressing the Enter key, only the filtered products will be visible. Turn off the filter in exactly the same way as we turned it on, either by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Shift-L or by selecting Filter from the Data or Home tabs. More filtering options are available in the Pivot Tables, Slicer and Advanced Filter lessons from the Advanced Excel and Excel for Experts courses. Please appreciate all the work that has gone into the making of these video tutorials by the writers and editors. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below.